What's this?
What? Oh my. It's the new Supra GT4 from Traxxas.
Welcome back to 3x7 Outdoor.
Today we've got the brand new car from Traxxas, the Supra GT4. Let's unbox
Supra's
it.
in the house.
This car looks real slick. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1.
What in tarnation? Oh, here we go. There's another layer.
Oh, okay. Go.
Not happening. Try it again.
3, 2, 1.
She
go.
don't want to give up. Oh. Look at that, boys and girls. Some serious plastic wrap on this puppy. You see this thing? Look at this.
Oh my gosh. Zip tie 1. Zip
Look
tie
at
2.
that. Another 300
Alright,
bucks.
I don't know what this is for.
Man, does that look sweet. Got noises.
Alright.
Ooh,
Oh.
that was a dream.
That was
This is
slick.
a fully clipless body where with the new hot rods is just a semi-clipless body. Kind of like the X Max and the Maxx.
That we've got the slicks. They have a tiny bit of tread pattern on them. Just let's see.
That splitter's gonna protect
Oh,
some.
no, it goes right in front of it.
Look at that. That splitter's gonna protect the
Yeah.
body some. The clips are like integrated into the vehicle.
That's really nice. Let's compare the Supra GT4 to the...
When the GT body is on, the front of the car covers this. The body is taking all the impacts. Where this one has this nice splitter, will absorb some of those impacts, which is very nice.
And of course, it does what a chin splitter is supposed to do, keep it on the road.
It looks like the ride height is a touch higher on the Fortec 2.0. Right there. 8.09, 7.51. So the ride height is lower on the Toyota.
You want to grab a battery and let's see what fits in here.
76.
7600 milliamp battery works in there, so the 5800 is of course going to work.
Definitely going to work because it's shorter.
Yeah. If you put a 3S speed controller in here and like wanted to make it brushless, you wouldn't have to make any changes to the chassis. You could take out this.
5003 cell. They're practically the same. Look at.
Oh, they are the same.
They are. I mean, it's a little bit longer.
But it would still fit.
Fits right in.
It's right in.
You can't run it on that right now. Juice.
It works.
We're
Here
green.
we go.
If it's green, you know it's mean. If it's red, you know it's dead.
Okay, give it a lot of gas for me.
Battery charge indicator stuffed in there. Get it out. How'd you get that in there?
Do it out
He
of my
did it.
own strength.
Okay, he did it.
3, 2, 1, go. Let's see.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
What are you, Grandma, going to get groceries?
Oh, that was close.
Close.
If you were able to just like move it, yeah, I did parallel park it. All right, let's try it out.
Let's do it.
We're not doing that, okay. Look at that thing out.
Looks good in the snow, huh?
Why?
Oh, look at that.
We're actually
coming.
clear. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. only 30 miles an hour, so not insane speed, but it's enough to have a lot of fun.
Very controllable.
3, 2, 1, go. Brake right at this black line. Oh,
Were you catching that?
I caught it.
I think you were too afraid. Let's see it drift.
It's a beautiful car. The colors really pop outside.
Love it.
Colors
The black
really
and the
pop.
red and the white together.
I love how it really looks like a real car, even though it looks small. It looks like for some reason it's just small, but it's a real car.
Like if you're a mouse, you could really drive it.
In 3, and then go backwards.
Don't
3,
go backwards.
2, 1, go.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Well, guys, we had an awesome day with the Supra GT4.
She's a beauty.
Brand new from Traxxas, looks amazing out on the road.
The hot rod's longer.
But it makes sense if you want to make the proportions correct. There's something about a car that actually exists and seeing it small and very real looking that just gets me.
This thing's a lot bigger. It's like a slash.
Anyway, guys, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And once you've done that, ring the bell so you do not miss any of our videos that we post. Yeah, guys, we love you and we will see you in the next video. 3x7 Outdoors signing out.
Bye for now.